Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on SUI cryptocurrency out here. Again, it is performing amongst the biggest gainers, so I thought I'm gonna give it a try right here on my channel and put it out for you to understand what's happening, as well have a complete understanding for a price prediction of 2023. It is up by 9% and currently talking about its all-time activity. Well, it is a situation where SUI has been quite higher than we're actually today, and this has been around, what was that? It was around May or June when it has been put together and has been launched out there on the markets, although it's pretty much tradable everywhere and it has a huge volume these days, especially that the market is in a continuous pump. SUI is gaining attention, so I wanted to share this with you. Before we get into the topic, I would like to talk about as well of the YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed these videos, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget about these things. At the same time, if you want to be part of my trades, there's a trade right now running, for example, on Bybit for us at $45,000 on BTC long. And I thought basically I'm going to share with you, for those of you that are looking to join my trades and be copy trading of them, no prior fee, only commission from the profits we achieve, where we trade for you completely outsourced through API trading permission. Commission is paid by you every 7 days from the pure profits made. As well, we have a one-on-one coaching program too. So I'm going to talk about that one soon at the end of the video actually. Let's see what's happening with our technical analysis on SUI, 1-day candlesticks. Looking for a situation here of a potential amazing breakout due to the fact that we're still dealing with a golden pocket resistance, and we're right now having to manage somehow to break out. So today, tomorrow, and the other day should be basically movements that could trigger the movement. First of all, taking the liquidity from the wicks above the golden pocket. That would be the first major thing to achieve, which is around 80 cents. And then from there, we got to push basically to the number one Fibonacci on the 90 cents. Once you're in the 90 cents area, you can behave as a zigzag between the golden pocket, which will become your next demand level, and to the number one on the Fibonacci side, which will be the 90 cents. So between 70 cents and 90 cents, you can follow up a specific price action movement that will allow you to build a sufficient liquidity and the patterns of explosion that should bring us basically in the category of 1.272, 1.4014, temporary speaking, which means we're going to take the liquidity out of the first bubble, situate it right there, and continue basically riding the market towards the major 1.618 extension level at $1.2, as well dealing with the liquidity higher. Once you're going to take these three levels from a single move, you'll have to deal with them in a zigzag and build some liquidity there. Trap people, take the lows and construct again to push basically for extension number 2, situated at $1.4, as well taking the liquidity from the third bubble existent. Those are major levels of shorts existent out there. That means that large orders will get liquidated and the market picks up a lot of the volume on side. So this is something that we could actually portray about SUI and the current situation of the market. At the same time, there's one thing that I'd like to tell you. We have the highest moving average at the moment of 100 days, which is the light blue line. The darker blue is something that we call the 200 days moving average, and we cannot relate with that because the activity on the market is too short, so it doesn't have sufficient amount of time for us to portray a meaningful presentation of it. But then we have the orange line, which is the 50 days, and the red line, which is the 20 days moving average. What we care about is to be supported by the red line and have this cross, which we just managed to do 2 days ago, between 50 days and 100 days. That's very important, guys. In order to have an SUI push in terms of a pump that will cross 20%, you need to have your 50 days moving average sitting above 100 days, which is exactly what has been happening in the past 2 or 3 days. And the moment you're doing the cross, it is a moment that allows you to take advantage of great market movements, especially if that is connected with a point of a breakout, such as the current golden pocket area. You break out of this, it's most likely a flat top here that you have to deal with, and a very, very nice triangle under creation, right? If we put it like this, you'll see there is a triangle at the top that is flat, and then on the lower side you have a great uptrending movement supporting the whole structure. Meanwhile, you get supported nicely by the moving averages that are meaningful. 20 days is right there as well, the red one, which is still holding the line aggressively. What's also needed further on is as soon as you break out, you will need 20 days to follow up with you. And at the time you touch it, you want to make sure you confirm on 20 days moving average, the red line, after you actually created a gap between the price action of how high it goes and where the moving average is situated, right? So you want to form a gap basically and then retouch that. Beautiful. That's pretty much all around SUI. Once again, folks, if you would like to be part of my trades, then feel free to check out the AI bot trading right here with ChatGPT that we have no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. That you can have the process getting started quickly. At the same time, the educational side, if you would like to be part of a one-on-one coaching program with me where you think the education is important around the business and get your weapons prepared, ready to go on the topic, then this is something that could be advanced, starting from the most beginner things until intermediate and advanced sector into the professional trader activity. Whether you want to do this part-time or full-time, doesn't matter. Whether you want to do this day trading or swing trading, simply investing in your education is the best investment that you can perform, guys. That's pretty much all on the topic for today. Make sure to check out the YouTube channel for many other things. Subscribe, like this one, and we talk to you soon.